It's not RC. Adventures in Radio Control. Hey folks, this is a quick video about one of my more epic projects. About a year ago, actually more like 1 year, 3 months ago, I was given this airframe. It was sort of 90% finished, but not quite. You know, they say the last 10% takes 90% of the time. Well, in this case, yeah, it took a year to finish this model. Anyway, it's a Cessna L-19 Bird Dog by Jack Stafford Models. This was given to me almost entirely completed. The original builder was a Dr. Joe Makovich. Anyway, he didn't quite finish the model. Unfortunately, he passed on, and the model went through a couple of other guys, sat on the shelf for about 9 years until it made it to my desk. And anyway, I decided to take on the project, so here's that story. I do have a build log for this. You can find that on most of the major RC forums. Just search for Nod's L-19 Bird Dog. But before I show you the maiden flight, I kind of wanted to give you a little idea of just how much work went into this thing. So let's compress an entire year's worth of work into just a slightly over 1 minute. Hold on to your hats, here we go. Okay, enough of the slideshow, let's roll the video. Here we go. Alright, after a little over a year, I've got the Bird Dog together. We're going to try it out, maiden flight today. Wish me luck, here we go.
Hey, is this timed?
It is timed. 4 seconds for mid flaps and another 4 seconds for full flaps.
That's like a plane. The flaps come down like this?
I'm just going to taxi you around real quick, but
This is beautiful.
you like that?
Yeah, I like that. But did you hit the flaps coming down? It looks like on a commercial plane.
Oh dear God, we're going to fly this. I can't believe I'm going to do this. Just a little nervous we were. Had all sorts of pleasant thoughts going through my head like, well, is my motor mount going to work? Is the wing going to fall off? Is the plane too heavy? Is it going to fly? Alright, maiden flight, take it off. Run for your lives. Flying. Nah, it's not full power. It's flying. Just keep my knees from knocking, I'll be alright. That'll help. Definitely needs rudder on the turns. A lot of down trim I need. Starting to feel better. Hands off yet? No. More down elevator. Might be a little nose heavy, but that's good for the maiden flight, right? Wrong. Yeah, down trim does not indicate nose heavy. If anything, it means tail heavy, but actually I don't think that was the case here anyway. He's climbing.
Is that vertical? That's full throttle there. That's going pretty vertical.
Seems to have gobs of power, which will come in handy when I get around to towing gliders.
She's pulling up when she's diving, so that's nose heavy.
Back in the air in half an hour. Yeah.
Woohoo! I like it. That beeping? Alright, we gotta land now. Yeah, it's beeping for some reason. Maybe out of juice already.
Turns out it actually had plenty of power, it's just I set my LiPo alarm incorrectly. Here we go, the dreaded first landing. Yikes.
And then one of the Japanese quality was better than ours.
I think it was me beeping. Yeah, I don't know. What's up with that? Maybe I got the voltage set wrong. But it's in one piece and it flew. Look at that, eh? Awesome. Yeah, I couldn't be happy with that, eh?
All right, what do you think from the peanut gallery?
Everyone smile. They're very impressed.
5'9".
Well, there you go. The Bird Dog flies. I'm extremely happy with that. So, yeah, next step is to try actually towing a glider with this Aerotug. Alright, well, until next time, there you go. Take care.